Disney World Cooking Show. Episode
1.
Yay! What are we making?
Strawberry soup forever.
Strawberry soup forever. We are making strawberry soup from 1900 Park Fair, which is a buffet in the Grand Floridian Hotel. I can't remember if we've stayed there once or twice. It's not my favorite hotel. It's absolutely gorgeous by like more of a themed hotel, but it's super like fancy schwanky. It's very nice. And this is really good soup, so I can't wait to make it at home and see if it's just as good. We got it from allears.net. And I was blown away by the amount of Disney World recipes they have on their website. So I will link it below, their recipe, and check out all their others because I'm gonna be making all of my favorite vegetarian recipes from Disney World. I'm so excited. Let's get started. Strawberries that were frozen, which I had. Oh my gosh, they just went in my eye. I've had an eye injury on my first Disney cooking show. That's not good. So I had some leftover frozen strawberries, so those are thawed in the blender. You need heavy cream, which I don't have, but I have half and half. And my daughter loves to cook. She just turned 3, so she fell asleep and is taking a long nap because we do have a late night tonight that we're going out. So I wanted to let her sleep. So what I'll do is just put this in the fridge and then kind of zhuzh it up with her when she wakes up and she can give it a try. All right, 2 cups of half and half.
1/4 cup is 2 fluid ounces.
Okay, so 1/4 cup of sour cream. Generous 1/3 of a cup of Greek high-fat yogurt. So I might add honey if it's not too sweet. I was also thinking of like adding fresh mint and mixing that in. I thought that would be good. In June of 2020, we actually had like a super fancy trip plan booked. I think it was 9 days. We're gonna eat dinner in Cinderella's castle. We are staying at the Grand Floridian. I had plans to go to the tea there and all the restaurants. And of course, as we all know, Disney was not open in June of 2020. All right, I think that's good. So we're gonna mix all this up. Basically it. That's the soup. It needs to be sweeter. It's good. I'm gonna add some honey. So pretty. Add the honey. So good. Add more honey. I kind of want to add mint. Just 5 little leaves, just so it gives it a touch of mint. This is really good. I kind of want to lift up this whole blender and just drink it. Wow. What do you think?
Oh.
Is it good? Mm-hmm. Yeah? I think it's a hit. Is it a hit? Mm-hmm. So that's going to do it for episode 1 of Disney World Cooking Show. Come back for our next one. It might be a Dole Whip. Should be a Dole Whip.
Mm-hmm.